Ashoka is the pioneer and the largest worldwide organization for social entrepreneurs. For the last 30 years, we have been identifying the most innovative social entrepreneurs, tackling education, health, environment, civil rights, and lots of very important social issues. A social entrepreneur is someone who is putting his entrepreneurial qualities towards the resolution of a social issue at a very large scale. Someone who is able to be pragmatic, to have a sustainable economic model, but also to change the way and the patterns of a given sector. So Ashoka has developed a very powerful way to identify those people and to make them grow and to develop their impact at a very large scale. If we want to go beyond this scale, we strongly believe that we need to partner now with business companies. Business and social sectors have many things to share, and they should be connected in a much larger scale. And this is why Ashoka has developed many collaborations and programs with business companies. What business companies can bring to social sector is skills, experience, strategic thinking, networks, process, and many employees from the companies could really be a great added value to social entrepreneurs. On the other way, social entrepreneurs can really provide the companies and the employees with many things, not only with fresh air, but also with another way of looking at social issues and a meaningful experience for most of them. And in many ways, collaborating with the social sector for business companies can also be a way to identify their future markets, because you cannot imagine how many things can be done if you can really partner with social entrepreneurs and identify new ways of doing business and new ways to provide solutions to many people around the globe. So this is why connecting those two sectors is now critical. We are at a very cutting edge of this connection between those two sectors, and if we really want to have an impact at a very large scale, then we need to develop change makers, not only in the civil society and the citizen sector, but also in the business sector. And this is why Ashoka's vision is that everyone should be a change maker.
70% of French youths say that they would love to volunteer in their communities. Hardly 15% of them do so. Moreover, our country is a more and more multicultural community, and unfortunately prejudices against other ethnical backgrounds do rise every year. So I launched Unicité 15 years ago after graduation from ESSEC Business School, convinced that that all young persons should devote a year of their life to community service in their home country, and should do so together with young people from all cultural, educational and social backgrounds. So we started Unicité 15 years ago with a group of 24 young people in Paris, and we are now a national organization involving every year more than 2,000 young people in more than 45 countries. 6,000 young people served their communities together with us for the last 15 years and served more than hundreds of thousands of disadvantaged people, from old and alone old people in their homes to homelesses to kids in difficult neighborhoods. And so we did this with the support of social businesses, private partners who did decide to invest in youth, with local public authorities who admitted that involve young people in the communities is key to create social cohesion. We achieved to have a major impact and to scale up by creating synergies between local and national public partners, and governments and private and business partners. And I do believe that if we want to scale up and have a major impact in our communities, we have to create those synergies in a more larger scale. And Ashoka would be the key actor and the perfect actor to do that.